Alright guys, so what we're working on today is the learning intention of multiplying whole numbers using the proportional adjustment strategy. Big words, but not a tricky thing to do. Remember though that these strategies that we're working on lately, so the rounding and compensating and the place value strategies that we've done so far, they're all about mental strategies, okay? So we're working on our mental strategies to multiply numbers, and today it's working on proportional adjustments. So hopefully your work will demonstrate that you can understand the proportional adjustment strategy, that you can visualize the proportional adjustment strategy, that you can explain the proportional adjustment strategy, and the work that you upload shows your understandings, okay? But that's your success criteria for this lesson. Alright, so the example we're going to start with today is 34 times 5. So this strategy makes us change one of these numbers into a number that it's easy to multiply with. And you guess what that will be. It will make 5 times 2, because an easy number to work with will be 10. So what I've done is I've doubled my 5 to turn it into 10, because 10 is a really nice number to work with. But obviously if I do 34 times 10, that's going to give me double the answer. So I have to make an adjustment, and I have to divide 34 by 2. So I'm halving it, and half of 34 is 17. So we've doubled one, we half the other. So our new calculation becomes 17 times 10, which obviously our answer is 170. So if we doubled one side, and therefore using this strategy, we would have to halve the other side. So quite clearly 17 times 10 is much easier to solve in our heads than 34 times 5. Okay, so let's take a look at another example here, and this is 3 times 270. So here I know that I can do 3 times 3, and that will give me 9. But if I've multiplied on one side, I'll need to divide on the other side. So 270 divided by 3 will give us 90. Okay, so that will make the numbers a bit smaller, and it should make it a bit of an easier multiplication to solve. So because I've tripled my 3 to make 9, I need to make the adjustment and divide 270 by 3 to give me 90. So we can see here that our proportionally adjusted problem is 9 times 90, which is a much easier sum to work with, and our answer will be 810. Okay, so the calculation that we would do is 9 times 9 times 10, so 9 times 9 is 81, 81 times 10 is 810. So what we used there was tripling and thirding. So what we've done once again is turned what could be a difficult problem into a far more simpler problem by using proportional adjustments. Okay, so here's our equations for our task today, just to show that we understand the strategy. Again, some of these you may find more than one way to do, so show that you really understand the task by doing it different ways. Good luck, and make sure you can show as much as your understanding as possible with your working out. Alright, here are our answers. Most importantly, yet again, just make sure that you can, if you do make a mistake with it, work out where you made your mistake. How did you make your mistake? Okay. Best of luck for it. Again, don't need to do all of them. Do the ones that you will find most challenging. Have a good day.